I'm going to be showing you all of these moves that you can do with the Flavor Blaster, whether it's moves with the machine itself or with the bubbles. Some of them are tough, some of them I don't necessarily recommend, but let's get started by unboxing this brand new Flavor Blaster Pro 2. Now, I had the first edition of the Flavor Blaster, and this is a huge step up. You can feel the quality when you unbox. I mean, they've really taken care of making sure they're giving you a really good, high quality product. It's very much worth the money that you're spending to get one of these, and I'm very happy with this second edition. And it's super easy to use. Like, out the box, you basically choose your aroma, which they send to you. You fill up the little machine, really simple. Put the lid on, click that in place, put the top on, and there should be some charge in the machine ready to go. So within 3 clicks, boom, you're making smoke. Dip that in your bubble liquid and you're making bubbles in less than 5 minutes. It is as simple as that. I just recommend that you buy extra bubble liquid because you are going to be playing with this for a long time, I guarantee you. Anyway, let's get down to learning those Flair bartending moves. The first is a basic stall, and again, I don't recommend doing this if you're not confident with doing this move, but it's literally just doing a full rotation with the Flavor Blaster and landing it away from yourself onto the back of your hand. And then if you're feeling very fruity, then you can go for the upgrade and try and flip it over onto your arm. So one more time, you're going to go up, full rotation, land it gently on the back of your hand, full rotation onto your arm. Boom. The classic gun sling, but this time with something which is actually shaped like a gun. We're doing this around the finger, so you can go swing up around the index finger, up around the index finger. Again, I don't recommend doing this with your Flavor Blaster, but if you're feeling confident, you can give it a try for yourself. It still works, you see. The spinning spoon pop. This is basically popping the bubble with a spoon spin. You can use any spoon spin you want. Just be careful not to hit your glass and use a spoon spin which you're confident in performing so that you're going to get it in the right position every time. Catching a bubble is actually very easy. It's more about how you hold on to the glass as you're catching. But if you lift the bubble up and then follow it down with the glass, you'll catch it quite simply. So lift up, follow it down, and boom. So this one is less of a move and just more fun that you can have with your Flavor Blaster. So you make a regular bubble on your drink, and then you just quickly make a whole bunch of smaller bubbles on top of that one. And you'll see they'll slide around, slide down the side of the glass, and you'll create this mutant bubble on the side of your glass. So the trick with this one is making sure you're bumping the bubble off of a piece of material and not your skin. Now, not everyone's going to be happy with you bumping it and landing it on your drink, so use it at your own discretion. It's all for fun, all for entertainment purposes, and enjoy trying this one out. Another fun move, and it's going to be pretty self-explanatory how to do this one. You ready? Gone. And then it's there, look. This is another fun way to serve your bubbles, and the trick here is to put the bubble liquid in the spoon and make sure that the stem of the spoon is wet or has bubble liquid on it so it doesn't pop. And then you can just basically serve the bubble onto the drink from the spoon. And finally, my favorite, the Flair Infusion. So put a shot in the bottom of your bottle and then fill that full of the desired smoke and just flare away. Make a little show, make a little performance, and you are making a very subtle infusion on the liquid that you've got inside the bottle. Obviously, the longer you flare, the more infusion you're gonna make, but you don't wanna go on too long, so make sure you pour it out and continue making your cocktail. So there we have it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out that next video, Swipe Throughs. It's really gonna help put your Flair together. But thank you to everyone who got this far. If you are new around here, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button if you like the video, and if you do want to get a discount on your Flavor Blaster, check my code out, Bubble100, when buying your Flavor Blaster model.